Hey Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool man right here, and basically what these are some KN95 face masks. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and we got the 30 pack. So for this product that we have right here, they actually have this available in like either smaller packs or bigger packs. I believe they have one that's like 50 pack, so if you guys want more, you can definitely go for that one as well. But basically the face mask is the same exact thing, whether it's get the 30 pack or the 50 pack. And this one right here is a black design. Let me actually open this up and show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see how it's all nicely packaged inside. So let's take it out first. So when we take it out, you guys can see there's two different bags on here, but it's basically the same thing. So since there's supposed to be 30 of them in here, that means there's 15 in here and 15 in here. But since they are the same thing, I'm going to take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So they do label that it's KN95 on this side and also on the other side as well. If you guys feel the product here, it definitely feels really flexible and actually feels really comfortable as well. And I didn't even put it in my ear yet. But when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material on here. They mentioned how it has 5 layers of protection on here when you guys put it on. And in this part here, they do have the metal strap option. So that way it's actually make it tighter on your nose area. But basically for the KN95 mask, it does have a 3D design. And they also mentioned the material that's on here is skin friendly as well. So when you guys open up the inside, this is what it looks like inside. So it definitely has like a white layer inside right here. And then right here is a strap. But let's put it on to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So all you need to do is go like this, strap it around your ears. And you basically adjust this part right here to your own fitting. And then once you guys adjust the part right here, you can squeeze in those areas to actually fit correctly. So once you guys put it on, it definitely has a good coverage throughout the actual mask right here. So that way literally nothing is open on here unless when you guys are talking, there might be a little gap that opens up for a little bit, but it closes back up immediately. But you see, once we actually put on the mask right here, it definitely looks pretty nice and actually feels really comfortable as well. I feel like this one actually feels a lot more like protective and more secure than your normal like face mask. Like when you guys feel the size throughout that mask, it definitely has a very good coverage. But you can see once we actually put it on, this is basically what the product looks like. And this is what it looks like on this side right here. So that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys are trying to look for a high quality face mask to give you guys that all around protection on here. Especially if you guys want to feel more protected, then wearing this face mask right here is actually much more protective than your typical disposable face mask. That's like the regular like surgical face mask. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.